Hello everyone! Welcome to another video from the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to CANVA Pro directly through the original CANVA app. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. It helps me a lot to bring more content like this for you. Let's start the tutorial. The first thing we will do is open the CANVA app. As soon as we open the application, we will come across the home screen. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, there are some options. Click on the fifth option where it says Pro. This button is where there is a crown design. When clicking on this option, note that it will already offer a 3-month promotion at a lower value than normal. Click on the purple button in Claim Offer. Click again on Claim Offer. Here they will give you some payment options. You can pay both monthly and annually. As I am from Brazil, the value will be in reais, but for you it is very likely to be in US dollars. You can also make a one-time purchase if you want without a subscribed plan. For example, a week costs 13.90 and a day costs 4.90 reals here in my country. To subscribe to CANVA Pro, click on the desired option and a payment screen will appear. You have several payment options. For example, you can pay by credit card, PayPal, and other banks and payment methods. To proceed with payment, choose the desired payment method and fill in all the information that the application asks for, such as your card details or the chosen bank. And the video ends here. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. We'll see you next time.